circular section. So we know for circular section at axis there is a pi d cube by 32. Next question. A material obeys Hooke's law. You know the material obeys Hooke's law in a elastic limit. A hollow shaft of same cross section area as compared to a solid shaft transmit more torque. Next question. The point of contraflexure is a point where bending moment changes its sign. Next, a coil is cut into two holes. The stiffness of a cut coil may be, as the length of coil increases, stiffness decreases. But we are cut this coil in two sections, so automatically the stiffness increases and it increases its double the original. Okay, next question. The bending stress in a beam is fill in the blank section modulus. So bending stress in a beam is inversely proportional to the section modulus. We know stress is equal to m by z. So you can say bending stress is inversely proportional to the section modulus. In a simple bending of beam, the stress in the beam arises linearly. In a simple bending of beam, means simply we can see in a simply supported beam. Okay. Next question. A concentrated load is known as, or we can say concentrated load is one which we know the force or a load acting at a point is known as concentrated load acting at a point on a beam. A pressure vessel is said to be a thin shell. The ratio of a thickness of a vessel to the diameter is, okay, you can see the thin cylinder, so it should be a less than. At a neutral axis of beam, the shear stress at neutral axis is maximum. Shear stress is maximum. If you consider a shaft and this is the axis, if you shear it once, here the shear stress is, you can say maximum. This is maximum shear stress at a neutral axis. The shear stress is 10 question. Completed 10 questions, and this is our 5th series.